till I dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
Hey, we have Beauty Diva in Tallulah,
Louisiana.
in Louisiana, and right now I'm kind of don't like my hair, but I'm gonna get it braided when I go to Atlanta, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah, and we came here to look at some earrings.
And I forgot.
I'm trying to think. Now, y'all, oh, these are some loud ones. I like these right here.
Sure is.
These are loud. And what else?
Do I have to? I need to find something. Ooh.
Oh, you gonna put on something today? That would be good.
I don't know. It's gonna hurt my.
Oh, here goes some. Let me see these. Oh, these are all natural. These are cute. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look, Jamie.
Oh, how cute.
Y'all like those? I might get these too. I like these. And look, this hamburger.
Nuh-uh.
They got hamburgers on there, and they got.
Oh, who's gonna wear some hamburgers? I'm like, you know what I'm looking
How these
for?
look right here?
I'm
What?
looking for earrings with like a locket on there.
Like a locket.
Like a little locket. You know what I mean? I don't think you know. Like a little, like a key in a lock.
I like these, but I don't like. I like them to be able to stick in my ear. Hold on, let me see. Hold on. Oh, these might work too. I like these. Y'all know I like yellow.
That's my favorite color. This is what you use for your ear, like.
Oh, I need a bucket hat.
Here, don't it?
I need a bucket hat.
Ain't that the kind of earrings you put like right up
Oh
here?
yeah, that
You know what I
is.
mean?
It's a string of them.
Right.
Oh,
See,
yeah. That's kind of neat. Is your ear pierced up there?
Only
I don't
have
like the. I don't like that.
I only have two.
Okay, yeah.
She likes
I
those
like.
kind of hats.
I like this, y'all.
She
This
said,
is what
"Ooh, I
I'm gonna
she said,
have
I want a hat like
on a
yours,
hat
Dad."
day. I'm just thinking about a hat like this.
My daughter be like that. I don't know.
These are cute, but they're not.
Daughter like.
They studs.
I'm like, father
I don't like that.
daughter.
Yeah.
Real.
She looks so much like Poochie.
She do.
She look a lot
My
like.
kids look like me besides Dante.
Yeah. Look at this. These are cute too. How y'all like that?
Oh. Oh.
You like those?
That'd be pretty.
You gonna put that on today?
Oh no, I don't like.
Oh, them clip-ons.
I don't like clips.
I don't know anybody out there that it's a lot of older people that didn't get their ears pierced, but I kind of like clip-on. No, I do, but I don't.
Funny.
But I used to know. I used to wear them too.
This is
didn't have nothing but.
kind of you.
Yeah, I like those, but the problem is, it's a stud. I don't like them. I like these to hook in like this.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, I'm gonna be here for hours looking. Cause these are so pretty. All these earrings are so pretty. Hold on.
What?
I wonder. That looks like the twin sign. What you think about these? Don't it look like the twin sign for Gemini, y'all?
That's cute.
Because it's two people. That's what it looks like. I don't know. Well, let this on.
Okay, we just came out with our earrings. Jamie, how many pairs did you get? She got one pair. I got, well, you guys know I have all different types of stuff on, but I like this. Where did I find this at, Jamie?
That I don't remember.
I don't remember where I found this at.
But this is real pretty, you guys.
Yeah.
This look like it'll glow.
Yeah. So
I like it. I should have got that.
we're here in Tallulah, Louisiana. This used to be Crazy Bob's right here, y'all. So we're finna try to go get something.
Scared of this,
We're gonna go get something to eat.
sidewalk. It's too up high.
I know that step right there.
That's way. I almost fell one time, y'all.
Y'all, I know my car dirty, but this is my YouTube. And let me tell y'all something. Me and Jamie gonna tell y'all. So y'all back on here. Raise your finger up, Jamie. This is YouTube. YouTube, the name will be right here. Because this is where you will find me at on my YouTube channel. I just link it up on Facebook. Okay? I just want y'all to know that. Put your mind to it. It's my channel name. Y'all, I'm gonna try this hat on. Let me see. Let me see the front from the back, okay? So I did get it. I think this is the back. How y'all like this? That's a lot of colors. Y'all, we are at Chopsticks. Here's the buffet right here. They just opened up and it's really good and fresh. Let me see. Oh God, doesn't that look good, y'all? Let's see what this over here. Look how good that is. Ah. This is Chopsticks in Tallulah, Louisiana.
What's up with this floor? It's slippery today.
Put some fruit, make a salad. I wouldn't mind having some Jell-O today. And some cucumbers. And I'm gonna get some pineapple. Do anybody like this? That ginger is so good, especially with lemon. Y'all, let's see what Jamie getting. You know what I like? I'm gonna try that chicken right there. That chicken looks really good.
I never had that before here.
That's crab. Now you might like that. That's almost like the crab salad you be getting.
Oh, okay.
You might like that.
Test it out first.
Yeah. That looks good right there, y'all.
It do.
Let me get my y'all. Let me get my plate, and I'm gonna eat. Okay, so y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned on our journey today. I don't know where me and Jamie's gonna go, but we're gonna go somewhere. Okay, Jamie, does it taste like that other?
This tastes just like the one in
Vicksburg,
Mississippi. I'm so happy. I'm gonna go get another plate of that.
Really?
Can I take some home?
Y'all, I got me some fish. This is fish.
Me too.
Oh,
Their fish be really good here. I love their fish here.
I just come to Chopsticks in Tallulah, Louisiana. What time is it? It's so hot, but it's so good.
I don't know.
I left my phone in the car.
Oh, okay.
But what time
It's
is it?
11:13.
11:13. You are. So that means at 11 o'clock, that's when they open. And we came after they uncovered all the food. It was real good, fresh and hot. Y'all need to come, I promise you. This is some really good food. Let me see. Now this is chicken right here.
Without the sauce.
Oh, with sweet and sour sauce.
I got to have the sweet and sour sauce, y'all.
I got the sweet and sour sauce.
Oh, you
This
do.
is good. Just
You
by
sure do.
itself.
Right here, you guys.
But I think I like it without. Yeah, look at him. I'm so happy. I'm gonna go back for the same stuff.
I'm happy.
This is really. I'm going back for some more. This is good without the sauce. I promise you.
So is the fish. I love when the fish is nice and fresh.
We got everything hot, y'all. Everything hot, y'all. And Tallulah, Louisiana.
It's hot.
Let me go. You going back to get some more?
It's the first.
I know. I'm going back and get that same stuff. Hello, everybody. Me and Jamie. It's looking over the bridge. Now, we come from Tallulah on that end, y'all.
We in Mississippi now.
We're in Vicksburg now. So, let me show you guys. Hump back, out! Where y'all from? Oh, you? Oh, Jackson? Oh, okay then. All right. Over there in Tallulah. Tallulah, Lake Providence, right in the middle.
Nice meeting you too.
Nice meeting you too, babe. That's in Jackson. What? That's another one. That's a different one. It's going through Jackson. Remember that bridge we used to ride on right there.
I would have liked to see this bridge over here. I would have liked to go went across this bridge, but I wasn't here for that. But this bridge is nice, but I like to. Hey, Greyhound! That's what I'm gonna be on! Hey, y'all! Hey! I'm like to here I come! Hey! I can't wait. I can't wait to go to my kids.
Okay, y'all, look. We're back. Look at these stools right here, Jamie. Look.
Those are perfect.
These are heavy.
Those are perfect.
You guys, look. These are.
How much are they? Because those are
don't know.
perfect for my house.
20? No. 25? No, they were 20.
20
Fill
piece.
them. Fill them. Come try to pick this up. I promise you. Pick it up. They heavy, aren't they?
God, this would be perfect for my bar in the kitchen.
Yeah, we got Mardi Gras coming up, and that's kind of like a... Oh, look at that sign over your head right there, Jamie. Say sisters.
Sister.
Y'all notice
I
it?
got matches from different places.
Those are matches?
That would be in comparison to that shirt I asked if you want it.
They're $15. No, they're not.
They might be. They're $15?
I don't know.
Let me see.
Is it? I can't see. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Y'all, they're $15.
$15 for a pair
But
of
they're
matches.
not, but they're older. They're
I want to
matchbook. Can you find a matchbook now? Y'all, can you still find matchbooks?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, you can.
Let me see how they look. What's that one?
They're good, pretty.
Let me see how.
They're just like different.
You guys. Neither one of us have our glasses.
I got mine. Oh, no, I don't. Nope.
The finest name. God. Now, I remember matchbook. You guys remember matchbooks when hotels had them and everything? You found a matchbook in somebody's pocket? What's that? Here go a green one. Ooh. Where's this from? Toll free. Even got their phone number on here. You know this one is a hoe.
$15.
Now I seen this the other day, you all. Remember it was in the other video? And I said, I need a tray like this. This is not but $18. Got your fruits.
That's nice. What's this? No, I don't. This is really like this.
What? Yeah, she might like that.
No, she did like that.
She did?
Yeah, I heard. I would pay for it. Well, how much is it?
Jamie, look at that little.
$15. Okay.
Look at this right here.
It's $15. It's worth it. This is some things I think
Do you
is
remember
worth.
You guys Remember this?
Oh my God, let me show them.
Let me pull the camera up.
You got? No, I'll come right here.
Wait, let me, okay.
I had one of these.
Wait, let them see it. You can't see it.
I had one of these when I was a little girl. Hello? 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 Hello?
Nobody saying nothing. I'll see, can I find a rotary phone while I'm here?
How you doing? This is my grandbabies. Hi. You calling Grandma? Oh, I'm gonna hang up. Oh my God.
Brings back so much memory, don't
I
it?
had one of these when I was in childhood. Where did it go?
Down here. Right there. Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Look at this. It's so cute. It's a set.
Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Now, you guys, I came back for her. Let me let you guys see her.
Watch we go through this thing.
Let me let you
again,
guys see her.
And then
like-
we see something again.
Yeah. Because I really like her. I
But
really do like her. I'm trying to figure out, well, look, I looked in the video and I came back to it. Oh, this is so beautiful to me. I'm coming back. I know they know I am. Me and Jamie just looking around. Look, that's old on the floor. Right here. Remember those? Those are at the bus stop, wasn't they?
like this?
Yeah, cigarette ashtray. That's an ashtray. You ain't never seen that?
Yeah.
What's the price on
I
that?
could use one of these for like outside.
Outside on the porch. How much is that?
Don't tell. It's $125.
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah, it's worth it. Y'all, let me show y'all something.
It's a lot. This, I can use these.
Those are, y'all remember the Tupperware? The Tupperware, wasn't it? If somebody took your Tupperware, but neither one of us can see today. It's no price on that. But this is what I want y'all to see right here.
You know what these are?
Washboard.
Yeah,
You never used them?
No, never in my
She
life.
never used these. We used to use these in Seattle. And there's another one. Yep. I never had this
I've
one.
seen how you use them, but
I never
so
used
is this the part where this is when you want to like dry it?
Wash it. Just
Wash
as your
it.
wash. Just washes it. Like when you got jeans and clothes and pants, you wash it.
Oh.
You don't dry it.
Oh,
This is not. That's a washboard.
I really never used one.
Yeah.
That is so cool. How much is that?
I don't know. This one is 25.
Okay, well.
This one is 25. This one
Okay,
25. This one 25.
I'd pay for it.
Yeah.
Some things I won't pay for, and then sometimes I won't. Like this.
Oh,
This
that's
is
a.
$50.
Oh my God! Look at this big iron skillet, Jamie.
Oh,
got.
this is heavy.
It's
guys.
heavy too. Look at there.
Very heavy.
That is. That will make some good old cornbread for dressing.
And fried chicken in too. But cornbread is yes.
They got Disney VHS. Poochie told me today he wanted to take all his VCR tapes and give them away. He told me, I said, you might need them. You might just need it. Because VCRs, you guys got a VCR?
Yeah.
VCRs now, they are going for $100 or more. So if you got one, either you're going to sell it, give a good price, because they're worth money now.
Look at this. This is old fashioned, you guys. Very old fashioned. Oh, I don't know if it's turned. Oh, this is kind of old.
Oh, yeah.
Look, it won't.
That's a mixer.
It's kind of hard to turn.
Yeah. That's a beater.
Yeah, this is a beater. Look, but it's kind of rusty. See, it's hard to turn. It's
The Rolling Stone.
It's hard to turn. See?
The Rolling Stones.
Maybe let me see if I can find another one better. kind of. Oh no, I want.
That one hard too?
I can work with that.
I think you can oil them and then get it back into
I
shape.
wouldn't want it.
Huh? You can oil it. You can make that work. You can make it work.
This one's better.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, I have one of these.
I still have one of those.
They're cute.
I still have
I want to
one.
know what to put. I like it.
You all, those stools that was right here. Feel that stool right there, Jamie. Jamie, I know it would feel kind of bad.
I'm mad. Oh, that's so pretty, but this is nice. This is like a kid's stool.
Somebody painted that really nice.
But I'm not talking about that. I don't want to move it. I'm scared to. This is a
God, that was
very.
a nice stool. Those were some.
This
nice
is a very
stools.
pretty picture.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Ain't that pretty, you guys?
What's the price on that?
$15 for this. What you guys think about this? I was scared to pick it up.
This right here, this stool, and this is kind of heavy too, but do you see the price? Look, see the tag right here?
Yeah.
What is it?
$40.
40, it's worth it. This is heavy. That's really heavy. That's really nice.
It is.
But
It's
I
a
wish I
kid's
could have
stool,
got
but it's-
those other stools. I'm gonna find out who made those
Look at it, and
stools.
they got crayons. That's pretty cool.
I know. Oh, look here.
Brenda was looking at this.
Look at here.
This is so heavy.
Do it look like me? Do it resembles me?
Now this, I forgot what Brenda.
A rolling pin.
I know it's a rolling pin, but I forgot what Brenda said. But this is real heavy. And then you, dang.
Hold the bottom piece. Wow. Woo.
It's
this
heavy.
is really heavy. I don't know how nobody could. I think one roll make your biscuits. You ain't got to go back and forth.
Right.
Here, got it. You got it.
Yeah.
It's heavy.
It's heavy.
It's heavy.
Yes, it is. They're heavy.
And then they got something over here. I like that little tree right there. And it's the kids. This is somebody's booth.
Oh,
Oh, those are cute.
those kind of cute.
I like those little shoes.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get. No, I don't know. Where are those shoes? It's something like this. Oh, these are clothes for kids, for like dolls. I always wanted to make doll clothes.
Are those doll clothes or baby clothes?
It's doll
Oh,
clothes.
take it out, Jamie. Let me see.
These are doll clothes.
Oh, they are.
I used my grandma used to make doll clothes. Look, it's a whole cute little set. If I had a doll, look y'all, even got the crop shoes. Now this is what I was talking about. I want to buy some crop shoes and bedazzle it
That's neat.
for the summertime. That is real cool.
Mm-hmm.
How much is it? How much they want for this?
They got the cheerleading outfit down there, Jamie. Look right here. Look at the cheerleading outfit down here.
Oh,
Oh, they got two of them.
this one.
And they got the blue, the
this
cheers.
one and that one.
Those are cute.
And look at this. This is kind of like, it's a Build-A-Bear
Okay.
Build-A-Bear something. I can't read it all. You know, I always want to make one of those, go to the mall and make one of those Build-A-Bear, you know, how you can build your own bear.
Jamie said she would never open that.
This would never be open. You know how much this costs? This is $250
Is
for
it?
this. $250.
Wait, that's let me
This
see.
is
Is she
a-
the one who?
This is a celebration Barbie.
Yeah, it's 200.
This is a
Hold on, let me see.
special 2000 edition.
$200.
$250 for this, y'all.
And it's pretty. It's worth it. Like Jamie said, she'll never open it.
This would never be out the box. Never.
Let's check this one out over here. I couldn't get a chance to see mostly everything, and I still not gonna see everything.
This is a nice dresser. I like this dresser.
What I know, I liked it that.
Pretty.
They sanded that down real good, and it's real pretty.
$229 for this. That's worth it.
Yeah.
That's worth it. I just like the way it's white, and then you got that brown. It's pretty. This would be good for my,
that's outside.
That's scary. I put my computer in there on here and stuff.
Let me see. That's pretty.
I don't like pink.
Those are beautiful though.
I don't like pink, but these, it got different things, but I'm gonna hold two up. Like this.
You see
and
it?
this.
Yeah.
See you guys? This whole, I think this whole set is for
Let me see it.
$57.
Okay, that whole set. Okay. Oh, that pink is so pretty. That is pretty.
It wouldn't be used.
Nah.
It'd be in my cabinet.
Yeah.
That cabinet I seen at the other place,
Mm-hmm.
that's where it'd be sitting. Oh, my should be. Oh. Ooh.
What is that, a pear?
It's a pear.
Let's see.
Is that $5?
I know that pear is more than $5. This is beautiful, you guys. Oh,
Is that $5?
No, that's it's almost like a paperwork. It's $12.50. It's like a paperweight.
I like it.
It's a pear. It's different, y'all. Look.
It's pretty.
It's really different.
It's very
beautiful.
pretty. Oh, sorry.
Oh, what is this? Is neat. Oh, isn't that beautiful?
That is beautiful.
Let me get you guys out the glare. Isn't this beautiful? This is $24.
Bing. Worth it.
Yeah. That is so beautiful.
Oh, I remember these kind of salt shakers.
Oh yeah.
$8.
$8. Yeah, these are the salt and pepper shakers. Look, $8. I'm bumping into Jamie.
New York City. Ooh, I wish I had $5. I'm looking. Actually, I am looking for a new mug. I'm kind of getting tired of my old mugs.
Yeah.
I would think about it. You know how you want to drink coffee in a new mug? You know what?
Oh yeah, you guys. Let me tell you what's gonna happen. But you guys, stay tuned for me and Jamie. Let me tell you, you guys. I didn't tell you. Let me be quiet because the baby's downstairs. So I didn't tell you what I got for Christmas. I got an outdoor 2-burner stove my son bought me to go on my picnic table that I painted that y'all hadn't seen. So maybe today I can show you some of it. And Jamie can come up and eat breakfast with me in the morning.
Yeah.
And I got a coffee pot coming. Yes. So y'all stay tuned for the outdoor cooking video.
That is gonna be real fun, you guys.
Yeah.
I can't get over this. I don't like pink, but I can't get over this pink.
That's real pretty.
It's just something.
That blue glasses are really nice.
It's just
too.
something that I don't like pink, but it's just something with that pink. Oh. Uh-oh, here we go. Come on, hurry up.
Y'all,
Get it out.
you see that right here?
Oh, I hope I don't throw up.
Camera on.
These floors are so squeaky. I'd be scared to walk.
Look at that chair over top right there, you all. There's a chair there. You guys look through the camera because it's a lot of stuff that I don't see.
I'm gonna point at it. This one?
Yeah. That's a nice little
That is a
old
nice
chair. Yeah.
Now this is old antique.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want it. I just don't really. I wouldn't want it. But Vicksburg 39180. That's like the zip code.
Yeah.
That's Vicksburg zip code, huh?
Mhm.
Didn't know that. Learned something new today again.
No, Vicksburg got more than one zip code though. That's
I
one
know.
of them.
That's one of them. I know.
That fan is huge.
Are they? No.
They might use that personally.
I think they do.
I think they use that fan
Yeah.
personally.
They wouldn't.
Yeah, they use that personally.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, they'll go on the kids' hair.
Oh.
Yeah, we can put those little ribbons on something.
$1.50. Oh, it goes like this.
I sure wanted to get those bar stools.
I know. Oh, what's this? I think this is. What is this?
I don't know, but it's cute.
Is it a dress? No,
Or
I
is
know
it
it's
just a piece of cloth? No. Yeah. Yeah, we puzzled about that one. I don't know what that is. Could it be a tablecloth fan?
Ooh, a
Oh.
dream catcher.
Oh, yeah.
This is you. Well, some people don't believe it, but this is a dream catcher. You put it over your bed
I like that
to
one.
catch your dreams.
Yeah, I have a dream catcher.
I
But I
never.
never seen a purple one.
I never. Oh,
You guys look at this.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Let me see the price on here.
That's
Oh,
so
this
pretty.
is so pretty. Remind me like the Chinese restaurant. But I don't see a price. Is it a price at the bottom? No.
Wait. Let me see something. Where's it made? Royal something. That is
Let me
oh,
put
right
it
there.
down.
There it goes. Right there in the right in the inside.
What's the price on it?
$95. It's
95.
worth it. It's worth it. Some things I'll say it's worth it. Cause that's the
you
way
guys
I.
know what I see.
That's the
And
way
it might
I
look
am.
weird to y'all, but I really do like it.
That's the way I am. And then some things I will say it's not.
This is nice. Oh. Like it, but it's an angel, but I just,
Oh my god.
yeah.
That's worth that so bad. That is worth it. Days in the days in the country.
Oh, this is different. And guess what? You can pick it up. You got a pear, you got 2 pears and an apple. And it's made out of, looks like it's made out of bamboo or straw. It's neat. It's neat. Very light.
Very light. What's this we have here?
Is that a pocket watch? No. Oh, it looks like this is where they put their medicine in.
Ralph Lauren. Oh well, this is good perfume. I heard. Well, I don't know.
And this is going for $14.95. Look how beautiful this is. I hope you guys can see it. Let me bag up. It's $14.95.
Now I don't know if you guys know this kind of perfume.
What's the price on that?
Ralph Lauren's. That's some good perfume. I don't. This is $65 for this set, and this is like some good smelling perfume.
Oh, here go a chest set. I'm not gonna pick it up. I want you guys to see it. A chest set, and those are the ivory pieces. Look like it's ivory.
You know what? I had one of these.
You did?
I don't know what happened to it.
I was looking at one of these today. I really was. You all, I was looking at one of these today.
Oh, got this,
I was looking at one of these.
That's the elevator.
Oh, I'm not. I was looking at one of these today. And this one, this is a grill. Dexter grill. And this is 69. If I'm not mistaken, I think it says 69.
Elevator.
Yeah. Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Yeah, that is a nice drill. What's the price on that?
I don't. That's what I'm looking. Oh.
Is it at the bottom? Oh.
$29.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
$10. Here I go.
You guys, that's a nice cabinet right here.
It is. I'd have all my knickknacks up in here. Oh, the cabinet is $325.
Yeah.
That's not, now, I don't know, I think, yeah, it's worth it.
The cabinet, it's half off. Oh, items inside is half off. So that's like the Christmas piano.
$10 or something. I'm a genie in a bottle. You better run me the right way. Oh, is this kind of like a bottle? I'm trying to find one for my friend so I can send it to him so it can be on his table. I can say, oh, I'm finna pop in my bottle. We be playing some weird games.
What is that?
Oh, just different, I think, lotions or something.
Okay.
I think they're lotion.
That,
Oh, no,
I like
it's
that
oil.
picture right there.
That's kind of neat.
They're filling this spot back up. Something was over here last week. We couldn't figure out what it was. I think we kind of forgot what it was.
But I sure like this kids section. Oh, let me see you. You're kind of cute. How much are you? $12?
Oh, I like that right
I should
there.
get this for my kids if they were little. I say,
Oh,
well,
remember you had that? The broom? No, you had the shovel, broom. No, you had the shovel, hoe, and rake.
yeah. Well, if I say, well, kids, time to go to work. Time to sweep,
Got your little bucket?
sweep and mop and the
Dustpan.
dustpan and the mop and everything. The bucket. I said that too many times.
Those are some nice boots. I came back for those bar stools. Didn't.
Yeah, I do that.
Look at Santa Claus, Miss Santa
Oh, yeah.
Claus.
These are so beautiful. Now here's another set.
These are $1.
$1.
Yeah. Yeah, these are $1. They're different.
Is these pretty?
Oh, those are pretty.
It goes with this. And there was another set, you guys. I don't even use it. That's where I wouldn't. That'd be another cabinet thing.
My friend told me one time before, she was an older lady, the lady of wisdom, and she said this. She said, don't get stuff and put it in the closet. At least put it on, take the tag off, and hang it up. It'll be second-handed. You have wore it. Made a lot of sense, right? Now we got a lot of wind over to the side, so if you hear anything, it's because the wind. Now we're at Levy Street Open Market, right here. I guess me and Jamie will find out another place we're gonna go to. Oh, these are cute. Right here. Do you know him, Jamie?
That's Elvis, my mom's favorite.
No, he's my father. He just didn't know it.
My granddaughter loves this.
Marilyn Monroe.
Marilyn Monroe. She has a big poster.
Is that me?
No.
No, he did it.
They started with me. Oh, Dr. Seuss. The Tucker Jones. How cute.
You all, I am looking for a rotary phone.
Oh, this is good that we're walking around. Now, the food.
Yeah, well, you guys know that we just came. Oh, Jamie, look how beautiful that Indian necklace is right there.
Oh, that's
Beautiful. Brenda had things she had to do today. She was going to come. So we still probably be back to this one.
Yeah, good. Oh, look at this little tiny fish tank.
Oh, it's got everything in it, too. What's the price on that? That's like a starter kit. $15.
Oh, that's not too bad.
That's not bad at all.
Old fashioned again, you guys. Oh, this is heavy a little. Ooh.
I forgot. You guys tell me what that is, because I remember that. Is that for shorthand or something? I'm not for sure.
It's $1.00 and cents. It says $1.00 and cents mark.
That much more room.
Yeah.
This, I can't pick it up though.
Oh,
It's
pick him up. Pick him up right there.
This day is
like
very heavy.
Oh, wow. How much is he?
He's $45.
Oh. That's some nice art right there.
It is. I'm looking for Suki. Suki. The butter,
I remember having those on the
the
table.
butter looks so pretty up in there. I just like glass, but I'm scared of if I break it, you know?
Look at a moon pie box.
What's this?
Y'all stay on this journey with me and Jamie. We're
Yeah,
going
we'll be
somewhere
back.
else. There's John Deere. Right here. John Deere. They're named for him. You guys look, Jamie is fascinated with these fish. I forgot the I forgot the name of
only
them.
if I can have Andre make a pond like this with rocks coming down and like maybe I wouldn't want all those fish. Maybe about 4 or 5 of
Those
them.
are so pretty.
Oh, I can stay here all day and look at them.
Y'all, this is what I want right here. This is kind of sturdy. I wonder how much is that? How much are they selling this? Like this. Sit down. I would put a pillow across there. Sit on it. Is it really weak?
It's sturdy.
I like that.
It's really
Yeah.
And it's
I'm gonna go price it and see.
now see this sled?
Oh yeah, Christmas is over with. It's almost Valentine.
This is how our sled used to be. This is how but it would be in wood. But my dad would make a sled about this big for us to go down the snow with. This is how big it used to be.
Look at this.
The biggest sled.
Look, Jamie.
Kids used to be so jealous.
Do you see it almost look real? And that's the weight to keep it going.
That's neat.
Here's one right here.
I like to have that in my yard.
That's really neat.
That'd
Wow.
be nice. Wouldn't that be nice right in like in the middle of the yard?
Yeah. And that right there is a hawk.
Right.
Right there. You guys, these are beautiful. Let me see, can you guys see me? Look. Look at all those beautiful pots. We're at a plant nursery. That's where we are now in Vicksburg, Mississippi. It smells like a nursery here. Now it's time to start doing fruits and vegetables. Spring is coming up now.
It's nice up in here.
Yeah, it is.
And it's all nice and fresh.
Yeah, it smells fresh.
Huh?
It smells fresh. See how it keeps going and moving and it tilts? All right, Jamie, where we at?
Hey y'all, we have big lots. And I'm looking at this tree. This is the tree. This would have been the perfect tree right here for me.
It really
Instead of my
would.
little bitty tree I had.
I like that little bitty tree too.
I
though.
don't like it.
I do.
So
We came to see what,
So we can get
Oh.
another Christmas tree next year.
look.
Ooh, I like it. That is real nice.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, here's me and Jamie. Stand right there, Jamie. There, me and Jamie, and Big Lot. Y'all, look at the wicker. Look at that. The
Gazebo.
$149. This is nice up under here. Okay. Look. Have your little fire up in here. Look, you all look at this for a dog. That's so cute. For Christmas. Here's some clearance stuff here at Big Lot. This is cute. I like the colors. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Which one you looking at for 139? Oh, that one? Oh, yeah.
And I can do it on the bed.
Yeah.
I need one real bad. Oh, you mean my real
Yeah, here's a Friends cup. Look. Friends. I think this is on a clearance, but that is pretty. Yeah.
$700.
Yeah. They took $100 off, look like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let me see, Jamie. Go back and do it again.
I'm being very careful, you guys. So look.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put all your stuff
Oh,
in here.
look here. Now, which one do you guys think? You think I look good with? Let me see. Jamie with Minnie.
Here.
Wow, look at Jamie with Mario. Okay.
Marble.
Jamie, look at
Now,
that's
would you put
beautiful.
would you put this on your door?
You think you look good with that hat on, Jamie?
Yeah,
Ooh, I like that.
and Mickey Mouse, I like.
I like that, y'all. What is that you got, Jamie?
Look at this.
Nice.
Mickey and Minnie. You know, this would be a good set for me and Andre. There go Andre. There goes me. And then
We're looking at the cookie jar. Look how nice it is. Mickey and Minnie.
maybe you can put like 4 or 5 cookies in here. But if they're little, then you can put a whole bunch. But big ones, you maybe 3 or 4 cookies in there.
Yeah. Oh, God, look at the lamp. Oh.
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
honey jar.
Y'all look at Jamie.
I found me a friend.
It's like a coffee cup. Let me see.
No, it's like where you.
Store all your coffee pods at.
coffee pod store basket.
Look at that. Paw control.
Paw control.
Jamie, who do that look like to you? Look like a big mosquito. That was on Star Trek, wasn't it? Not Star Trek, Star Wars. I like they cups.
I can maybe have a new cup.
Look, that's a whole set right down here.
Kisses and hugs.
Oh, that's cute.
This is kind of, you know what? I like the handle.
Hello, everybody. Hey, I have 2 channels. 2 channels. So, the first channel is Dexter Do It All. The second channel is Put Your Mind to It. So, come on over there to these channels. Dexter Do It All is a farm channel. You'll get a chance to see everything. Put your mind to it. This is Put Your Mind to It. Woo!
Cut that thing off right there. How y'all doing? This Dexter would do it all. Start a new YouTube. As you can see, I got a Can-Am Renegade 4-wheeler. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I like to get mud. I like to get dirty. Also got an 18-wheeler. You'll see me driving the 18-wheeler sometime here and there, dumping grain. And also to the left, I got a combine tractor. You see me doing it all. That's why I say Dexter Do It All. If you want like my channel, like, subscribe, leave comments. I also read comments too, you know what I'm saying? But I like to get muddy mostly. So if you could, like, subscribe, and leave comments. And also, don't forget to hit that bell.
And also, you hunt.
And a little bit of hunting.
I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams. We all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?